In this guide, I'm going to show you how hashtags work here on Instagram. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But hashtags essentially are labels for your post, whether it's a reel, a post, a video. It essentially labels it under a specific topic. Now, for example, this is my personal account, so I don't really use hashtags that often. But if I switch over to my, I guess alt account or whatnot that I used to use when I was live streaming a bunch, if you scroll down on here, you'd see like For You page, For You, Fortnite, since I was about Fortnite, or this one was about FNAF, so it'd be For You, FNAF, Reels, stuff like that. When you select one of those hashtags, it's going to show you all the content that also uses hashtags, like trending content around that time. Let's get off of that. I'm not going to look at Five Nights at Freddy's freaking hashtags. But when you create a post, if you're like surfing, for example, you could do hashtag surfing, right? With the pound symbol or the hashtag symbol followed by surfing. And then, of course, it allows Instagram to kind of use that and send that content out to people that also like other content like that. So it allows your content to be pushed a little bit more. You probably won't use them too much on just like a personal post, but if you are trying to look more into content creation on Instagram, that's definitely what you're going to want to include. Think about it like tags on YouTube or tags or hashtags, I guess, on TikTok. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.